In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a QR code in Canva using the latest update. Let's get started right from your Canva homepage. Once you're logged in, you'll see the main dashboard with options like recent designs and suggested templates. Before you do anything else, decide what kind of project you want to add your QR code to. This could be a flyer, a business card, a poster, or even a social media graphic. Click on Create a Design and choose the size or template that fits your project. This opens up a new blank canvas or a pre-designed layout where we'll place your QR code. With your design open, look at the left-hand side of the screen. This is your main toolbar. You should see options like templates, elements, text, and apps. If you don't see apps right away, scroll down that sidebar until it appears. Go ahead and click on Apps. This is where Canva keeps all the extra tools and integrations, including the QR code generator. Inside the Apps section, you'll find a search bar. Type QR code into that search field. You should see the QR code app appear in the results. Click on it once to open the QR code generator panel. This panel usually appears on the left side, replacing the previous menu. Now, you'll notice a simple field where you can paste or type the link you want your QR code to lead to. This could be a website, a landing page, an online store, a YouTube video, or any URL you want people to visit when they scan the code. Carefully paste your link into that field. It's a good idea to double-check the URL to make sure there are no typos, because the QR code will send users exactly to what you enter here. Once your link is in place, look for the button that says something like Generate QR Code and click it. Canva will automatically create a QR code based on your link and drop it directly onto your design. You can now click and drag the QR code to move it, and use the corner handles to resize it, just like any other element in Canva. Make sure it's large enough to be scanned easily and placed in a clear, uncluttered area of your design. When you're happy with the placement, you can continue customizing your design as usual. Then download or share it. Your QR code is now ready to be scanned and used.